Hello everyone. Welcome to day 8 of your English Learning Challenge. Today's topic is talking about weather and seasons in English. Weather is one of the most common subjects in conversation. People often use it for small talk, polite introductions, or daily updates. This lesson is long and detailed. Stay with me, repeat sentences, and practice every section. By the end, you will be able to talk about the weather and seasons in clear English. Basic weather vocabulary. Let's begin with the most common words for weather. Repeat after me. Sunny, cloudy, rainy, windy, stormy, snowy, foggy, hot, warm, cool, cold, freezing. Now let's use these words in sentences. It is sunny. It is cloudy. It is rainy. It is windy. It is stormy. It is snowy. It is foggy. It is hot. It is warm. It is cool. It is cold. It is freezing. Repeat each sentence with me. This is the basic structure. It is plus weather word. Asking about the weather. Now let's learn how to ask about the weather. How is the weather? What is the weather like today? Is it hot outside? Is it raining? Is it sunny today? What's the temperature? Let's practice answers. The weather is nice. It is hot today. It is cold outside. Yes, it is raining. No, it is not sunny. The temperature is 20 degrees. Talking about temperature. Temperature is important when describing weather. We use degrees. Examples. It is 10 degrees. It is 25 degrees. It is -5 degrees. You can also describe temperature in words. It is very hot today. It is warm this morning. It is cool in the evening. It is freezing in winter. Practice these sentences aloud. Everyday weather conversations. Let's practice a simple dialogue. A. How is the weather today? B. It is sunny and warm. A. Is it cold outside? B. No, it is not cold. It is hot. A. Is it raining? B. Yes, it is raining. A. What is the temperature? B. It is 20 degrees. Repeat this conversation with me. Talking about seasons. There are 4 main seasons. Spring, summer, autumn or fall, winter. Repeat after me. Spring, summer, autumn, winter. Now let's practice. Spring is warm. Summer is hot. Autumn is cool. Winter is cold. We can also describe activities in each season. In spring, flowers bloom. In summer, people go to the beach. In autumn, leaves fall. In winter, it often snows. Expanding weather vocabulary. Now let's learn more words and phrases for weather. Clear skies. Overcast. Humid. Dry. Drizzle. Shower. Heavy rain. Thunderstorm. Lightning. Blizzard. Heat wave. Frost. Hail. Now in sentences. The sky is clear. The sky is overcast. It is humid today. The weather is dry. There is a light drizzle. There was a shower in the afternoon. Heavy rain is falling. There is a thunderstorm tonight. Lightning is striking. A blizzard is coming. We are in the middle of a heat wave. There is frost on the ground. Hail is falling from the sky. Repeat these sentences several times. Weather expressions. In English, we often use expressions when talking about weather. Examples. It is pouring. It is boiling hot. It is freezing cold. The sun is shining. The wind is blowing. The rain is coming down. Practice. It is pouring outside. It is boiling hot today. It is freezing cold this morning. The sun is shining brightly. The wind is blowing strongly. The rain is coming down heavily. Talking about weather yesterday, today, and tomorrow. Let's practice with tenses. Yesterday. Yesterday, it was sunny. Yesterday, it was raining. Yesterday, it was cold. Today. Today, it is cloudy. Today, it is warm. Today, it is windy. Tomorrow. Tomorrow, it will be sunny. Tomorrow, it will be rainy. Tomorrow, it will be cold. Weather and daily life. We often connect weather with our activities. Examples. It is raining, so take an umbrella. It is sunny, so wear sunglasses. It is hot, so drink water. It is cold, so wear a coat. It is snowing, so drive carefully. Practice these cause and effect sentences. Conversations about seasons. Dialogue 1. A. What is your favorite season? B. My favorite season is summer. A. Why do you like summer? B. I like summer because the weather is hot and I can go swimming. Dialogue 2. A. Do you like winter? B. Yes, I like winter. I like snow. A. What do you do in winter? B. I drink hot tea and stay warm. Dialogue 3. A. Which season do you not like? B. I do not like autumn. A. Why not? B. Because it is windy and rainy. Advanced weather phrases. Now let's practice longer sentences. The weather is unpredictable. The sky is partly cloudy. There is a chance of rain. The temperature will rise tomorrow. The forecast says it will snow. The wind is getting stronger. The sun will set soon. The storm is approaching. The air feels fresh today. The morning is foggy, but the afternoon will be clear. Repeat these sentences. Idioms about weather. English uses many idioms related to weather. Examples. Under the weather equals feeling sick. Come rain or shine equals no matter what. Storm in a teacup equals a small problem made big. Every cloud has a silver lining equals there is good and bad situations. Snowed under equals very busy. Practice in sentences. I feel under the weather today. I will be there, come rain or shine. Do not worry, it is just a storm in a teacup. Every cloud has a silver lining. I am snowed under with work. Practice drill. Repeat after me slowly. How is the weather today? It is sunny and warm. Is it raining? Yes, it is raining. What is your favorite season? My favorite season is spring. Why do you like spring? Because the weather is nice and flowers bloom. Do you like winter? Yes, I like winter because I enjoy snow. Practice these again and again until they are natural. Now listen and repeat these longer sentences. The weather is very hot today, so I am wearing light clothes. Tomorrow will be cold, so please take a jacket. It rained heavily yesterday, but today the sky is clear. In summer, we go to the beach and swim in the sea. In winter, people wear coats and drink hot chocolate. Spring is beautiful because trees are green and flowers bloom. Autumn is colorful because leaves turn red, yellow, and orange. The weather changes quickly in my country. Sometimes it is sunny in the morning and rainy in the afternoon. I always check the weather forecast before I travel. Let's review. We learned weather vocabulary, basic sentences, it is sunny, it is cold. How to ask and answer questions about the weather. Talking about temperature. Describing seasons. Advanced phrases and idioms. Practice dialogues. Longer sentences for fluency. Now let's practice one last full conversation. A. Hello. How are you? B. I am fine. How are you? A. I am good. How is the weather today? B. The weather is sunny and warm. A. That's nice. What is your favorite season? B. My favorite season is spring. A. Why do you like spring? B. Because the weather is not too hot, not too cold, and flowers bloom. Congratulations! You have completed Day 8 of your English Learning Challenge. Today you learned how to talk about weather and seasons in English. Practice these words and dialogues every day. The more you speak, the more natural your English will become. Thank you for learning with me. See you tomorrow in Day 9.